What's up guys, it's Cole, and I'm back with another redstone trap, and in this one, I've got another cave. Well, I mean, if you haven't seen my other videos, you probably won't have seen my first, cave trap, but this one, it's pretty cool. Alright, so let's go into game mode 0 and break this beautiful piece of lapis. Let me show you what I did here. Alright, I'll just give you a quick overview and then we will build it ourselves. All the all the cavey looking things, I don't need to cover it up. Now let's take some random ore, gold ore. Alright, and let's build around it like that. And let's pull this around. And if you can see that this had to be lowered down, or this part of the roof had to be lifted up from this part, so that nobody would see the big, what I call it, like the hole in the ceiling from the piston. Now let's get a sticky piston. Oop. Wait. Okay, so I've got it covering that. And redstone. Leading all the way over to this piston. Oh, come on. Ah. Why? There. There, you happy, piston? Oh man, ran out of redstone. Let's repeat the signal here. Okay. So you can kind of see what I've got here, and what I've got going here. Pretty simple. Let's take this sign. Done. It's weird because you have to be flying down to place these signs on top of each other for some reason. I don't get it, but just placing them, I couldn't place them normally on top of each other, which is weird. So I have to fly down every time I want to place a sign on top of the other. This should be high enough. You have to be flying down to place the anvil too. Signs are weird. Okay. Now, yeah, you can already tell what's gonna happen. See? Pretty simple. The piston pulls back, and the signs were on top of this block, which the piston pulled back, broke all the signs, and let the anvil fall. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please comment what you'd like me to do next. I'd love to hear some new ideas, because sometimes I just run out. right. Well, bye.